Not ready for math? If your child can count to 10, or even 20, but still struggles with simple math, they might not actually be ready for kindergarten math. And most parents don't realize this until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 signs your toddler may be missing key math skills and what you can do about it. These are simple things you can check at home, and they matter more than memorizing numbers. Sign number 1. Just memorizing. Your child can say numbers, but doesn't connect them to objects. They might say 1, 2, 3, 4, but when counting toys, their finger moves faster than the objects. This means they're memorizing numbers, not understanding them. Real math starts when each number matches one object. Sign number 2. Can't tell more or less. They can't easily tell which group has more. Put 2 cookies on one plate and 4 on another. Ask, which one has more? If your child struggles, that's a sign they haven't developed comparison skills yet. And comparison is one of the first steps in real math thinking. Sign number 3. No number sense. Numbers don't seem to mean anything to them. They might say 3, but don't understand that 3 represents a quantity. Number sense is when a child understands what numbers actually represent. Without that, math becomes memorization, not understanding. Sign number 4. Relies on memorizing. They rely on memorizing instead of thinking. This often happens when children are taught using only counting drills or worksheets. Toddlers learn best through real-life experiences, not repetition alone. When math is only memorized, it doesn't stick. Sign number 5. Gets frustrated. This usually isn't because the child can't learn math. It's because the foundation wasn't built correctly. When children don't understand quantities, math feels confusing, and frustration follows. The solution: build the right foundation. The good news is, this is easy to fix. You don't need flashcards or complicated lessons. Start with simple, everyday moments. Count snacks. Compare toys. Ask which group has more. Math should feel natural, not forced. That's how children build real understanding. Start today. If you want a simple step-by-step system that shows exactly how to build these skills at home, I've put together a guide that walks you through it. You can find it in the link below. And if you want your child to feel confident with math before kindergarten, subscribe, because I'll be sharing more simple strategies like this.